Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today we're going to be getting into these new e.l.f. brushes. These are their oval shaped brushes. So I do have a large, a medium, and a small. So the large is, of course, is used for foundation. The medium is used for contour, and the small is used to blend out concealer. So I've been so eager to try these products. There wasn't too many YouTube videos on these products, so I thought I would go ahead and try this out with you guys for the first time. Also, I do have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. This is in medium. I'm not sure if my light is too bright, but it is in medium. And I also have their Lash It Out Volumizing Mascara. We're also going to be using this today in this video. So I already did my eyes and things off camera. This is my first time using actual pigment, and I don't know if that's the reason why my eyes is watering. But I don't know if I will be using this again, but we're just gonna see how everything looks at the end of this video. So I've taken the brushes out of their packaging, and these are what they look like up close. Now I will say these are my first time ever using like oval brushes, but they do feel super soft, and they're very dense. Make sure that everything is buffed out. And I also like the handle. It's perfect for you to just rest your thumb right here, and just to make sure you really have control over the brushes, which I do like. So let's get into the foundation. And I already primed my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I haven't used this foundation in a while. This is the L'Oreal True Match. I am in the shade Cream Cafe, which is W8. So I'm just gonna shake it up. And this is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. And also, before we get into these, I do want to give you guys the prices. So this one, the large, is $10. The medium is $8. And the small is $6. So I'm just gonna put some of this foundation on the back of my hand. I don't know if that's too much, but so I'm gonna take this brush, and I'm just gonna pretty much try to soak up the product. So if I'm looking over here, that's because my mirror is here, so the foundation is on the brush. Now, according to, because I watched a video that is on the e.l.f. website on how to use these oval brushes. So they said to do it in swiping motions. And I think I have a big face, so I'm going to use another pour of foundation. But I'm like how it's evenly applying to my face. So I like how it's evenly spreaded and it's gone on my face. So I'm just going to use a little more just to hit my forehead a little bit. And it is giving like an airbrush feel. Now you can use more of your foundation, but I don't like to use a lot, just enough to kind of give me like a even smooth canvas. So I like medium coverage. I'm not really a full coverage girl, because I feel like sometimes it can look a little cakey on most. But just speaking on myself, this is just what I like. But again, you can use as much foundation as you want. Now going into contour, I'm going to go in with the Black Opal contour stick. This is in Hazelnut. And I'm taking the medium brush. And I'm just putting some on the brush. And this is my contour. Now when it comes to my nose, I'm going to do that after I do my concealer. So now we're going to jump into concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in Caramel number 40. So now I'm going to take the small brush and I'm gonna do my under eye last. And again, I'm like how it's blending out. And again, I'm gonna go back with my contour brush too. And again, guys, it may not show up on camera, but when I look into my mirror, everything looks really, really airbrush and smooth. I'm really loving these brushes. So now I'm gonna get into my nose contour. Okay, so we're gonna get into this setting powder. Again, this is the Halo Glow setting powder. This is in medium. Okay, so I'm gonna blend out my concealer again before I use this setting powder. And I'm taking a brush from Playing and Makeup by Yolando. This is the small powder brush. And I'm going to use that to set my concealer. And now I'm going to take a beauty blender just to press everything in. So right now this is what we're looking like. I'm going to just go ahead and spray my face. And I'm spraying my face with the E.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Setting Mist. Okay, so I did my under eye and set my face off camera. So now I'm going in with the E.l.f. Lash It Out Volumizing Mascara. And the bristles look like this. I'm just going to put some black in my waterline, and I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs. This is the Highliner Gel Crayon. And I got this in a Sephora sample. So I'm going to do my blush and my lips and everything else off camera, and we'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. Now my thoughts on these E.l.f. oval brushes is that I love them. Again, it might not show really up on camera, but when I look in the mirror, it definitely looks very smooth. It looks airbrushed. This is a great product to have. I would recommend these. I would definitely recommend these. Again, also they also have a video of one of their people actually showing you how to use the brushes. So if you do get confused on how you should use them to apply them, there is a video on the website showcasing the brushes. Again, I love these. I recommend these. As far as I like the mascara as well. As far as the setting powder, I really like that too. Yeah, everything I received, everything I got that I bought. So let me just say this video isn't sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. These are my own thoughts on the products. But yeah, I love everything. Everything looks really great. Everything went on really smooth. I really liked the outcome of this makeup. And if you want to know what lip combo I used the NYX Brown. This is the NYX lip liner. This is in Nutmeg, and I use the Anastasia lip gloss. This is in Nude. Yes, this is in Nude. But overall, I really love the products. Again, I do recommend them. And again, everyone knows E.l.f. is very inexpensive, so you definitely are getting your money's worth on these products and more. So again, guys, if you like this video, definitely let me know in the comments below. Again, check out everything in the description box below. Just thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.